I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Docker and the remote containers extension are installed. This gives you the runtime and editor bridge. Once done, create a dev container folder and add a minimal dev container. JSON plus a Docker file describing the image. You should include the workspace mount and forwarded ports entries so tools and ports work predictably. Then open the project in VS Code and use reopen in container so the environment builds and attaches. This gets you inside the reproducible dev workspace. You now customize the container. Add useful extensions and define a post, create command to install dependencies automatically when the container first starts. Make sure to install language runtimes, CLI, and linters inside the image, rather than on the host, so everyone uses the same versions. Once the container is running, mount volumes for node modules or caches so rebuilds are faster, and persist VS Code settings to keep your workflow consistent. This keeps your environment predictable for you and your team. You finish by running the app and any tests inside the container to verify everything works. Make sure to commit the dev container folder so teammates get the same setup instantly. If something fails, check container logs, the VS Code remote output, and inspect installed package versions inside the container. If needed, rebuild the image with no cache to clear stale layers and adjust post-create command or Dockerfile steps. This usually reveals missing tools or permission problems and gets you back to a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.